This newsletter was researched, written, and drafted automatically. It pulled the latest AI automation trends from the web, grabbed the newest videos from my own YouTube channel to repurpose that content directly into the newsletter, summarized everything, and created a draft broadcast in Kit, my email platform. I didn't write a single line of code, and I didn't even have Kit connected when I started. What's wild is this started as a simple Gmail newsletter. Then I modified it, swapped in YouTube, taught it a new API, and it just upgraded. What I built outlived the conversation. Here's how. Every other AI tool gives you a great conversation. Then the conversation ends, and so does the work. Creo is different. What you build lives on. I'm going to show you exactly how that works from scratch. No code written. Let's go. All right, let's start from scratch. I'm on CREAO.ai. Free to start, no card. This is the super agent chat. I describe what I want, it builds it. Build me a personalized newsletter. Research the latest trends in AI automation, find the top stories and developments, write a concise, punchy summary of each, and send it to my Gmail. Let's ask our super agent to go ahead. It's processing, searching for the latest AI trends and generating the structure and style. Great, the newsletter is ready to send, and now it's telling me that I need to connect it to my Gmail. I will go ahead and do that. See how easy it is? Let's now go ahead and have it process the sending of the newsletter. And a minute later, it's done, and we can check our inbox. That worked, but right now, this is just a conversation. If I close this chat, it's gone. That's what happens with every other AI. The work dies when the conversation ends, not here. One click. That entire workflow, search, curate, summarize, email, is now a permanent, reusable AI automation agent. The workflow isn't reinvented every time it runs. The steps are locked in. Same structure, same connections, same logic. It's not improvising a new approach each run. It's executing a proven one. That's what makes it reliable. Now we have a reusable automation called AI Automation Newsletter, and we are going to schedule it to run every week. I will click Schedule and set it to run once a week at 7 a.m. on Mondays. For the time zone, I'll select Eastern. It is going to send to my email address. I will also choose some focus topics for this agentic AI. I can configure the number of stories. Let's go with 4. Finally, I create the schedule. It is that simple. Every Monday at 7 a.m., it will execute, create that newsletter, and send it to me. But here's where it gets interesting. This agent works great, but I want to build on it by expanding the automation. I'm going to add my own YouTube channel so I can repurpose my latest videos and include summaries in the newsletter. I'll select the agent and edit it directly in the chat. I'm going to type, I want to update this automation, add my YouTube channel, pull the latest videos, and include summaries in the newsletter alongside the AI trend research. I'll hit enter. It will start building on the existing agent, running the previous command, and figuring out how to modify it to incorporate these requirements. Now it's generating the code to meet my needs, which includes looking up my channel, extracting the transcript text, and processing it. It is updating the agent with this new ability, and has now finished building the updated automation. It's now running the automated newsletter using the new agent ability and asking me for topics. I'll enter 4 stories on agentic AI and submit. Now I'll enter my email address. It's running the automation now. It found my channel information and the content. Now it's crafting the new weekly newsletter and sending it to my email. And there it is, sent successfully. So let's look at what our new AI automation has accomplished. Let's head over to my Gmail. It has created and sent a personalized AI automation newsletter just for me. It added 4 stories via a web search on my chosen topic. It also searched for videos on the specific channel I requested, pulled the transcripts, summarized them, and included that information in the newsletter. Now that the agent knows the routine, it will handle all of this automatically when it runs next Monday at 7 a.m. It's super easy and incredibly powerful. Let's do a quick recap. We've described the build we want to create through the chat and solidified it with one click, converting that conversation into a permanent agent. We've turned that agent into a scheduled AI automation and demonstrated how to modify it by adding new capabilities like YouTube and other sources, simply by describing them. We just added powerful new functionality to our reusable AI automation with a single prompt. Now we're going to take this to the next level And this is the part that genuinely surprised me because of how powerful and easy Creo is. I want to share my newsletter with my community through my email platform, Kit, where I have a distribution list. Wait, Creo doesn't have a built-in Kit connector? No problem. We're going to teach our agent how to use the Kit API to send a draft broadcast. This is truly a superpower that makes Creo infinitely flexible. It can learn any connector that has an API. It is insanely powerful. Which API would you turn into a skill first? Drop it in the comments. I read and respond to everyone. Now, let's go ahead and teach our agent the Kit broadcast skill. I'm in the Kit API, which is used to create broadcasts. There are many details here regarding different parameters and how to use them. Now, I'm going to go back to Creo and select Edit in Chat to build upon the changes I've made. Here is the prompt I'm going to use. I want to switch from Gmail to Kit to send the newsletter. Here is the API documentation for Kit's Create a Broadcast endpoint, including the URL. Please learn this API, integrate it, save it as a reusable skill, and update my agent to send the newsletter as a Kit broadcast draft instead of using Gmail. Let's go ahead and run it. It's going to build upon what it already knows about creating newsletters. It's searching the web to read the Kit docs and is now creating the Kit broadcast skill through the API. Now that it has everything it needs, it's going to create the broadcast skill and update the agent. Alright, it's showing me the skill it wrote. This is how it understands that API, so we can connect to Kit and create a draft. The skill has been written successfully, and now it's updating the agent's instructions on how to create the newsletter and send it to my Kit broadcast skill. It has applied the change and noted that the broadcast will be created as a draft. Now that it's finished, I can run the updated agent using my Kit API key. I'll go to my Kit login, navigate to Accounts, then Developer, and create the API key here. I'll save that, go back, and run the updated agent with the new key. Now it's running. It has found some files from my YouTube channel and is building the HTML newsletter and creating the story cards. It has now created the draft. If I go into my Kit broadcasts, I can see it has generated this for me automatically. It's incredible how powerful and easy it is to build a reusable AI automation. So now I've got this end-to-end automation set up for Kit. It basically created a reusable agent with a brand new skill that runs every week, building out a custom newsletter with news and YouTube integration. This Kit broadcast is a skill my current agent, or really any future agents, can use. Here's why this matters. I started with a Gmail newsletter, added YouTube with one sentence, then taught Creo a new API from a URL, and it updated the agent automatically. Every modification built on the last one. The agent didn't restart from zero, it evolved. And that Kit skill isn't locked inside this one agent. It's in my library permanently. Next time I build an agent that needs Kit, welcome emails, receipts, campaigns, I don't re-explain anything. My Creo compounds with every conversation. So to wrap up, we went from a simple newsletter to a permanent agent, scheduled it daily, added YouTube, and taught it the Kit API just from a documentation URL. That is a jump from a useful chat to persistent know-how that outlives the conversation, all with no code written. Which API would you turn into a permanent skill first? Let me know in the comments. If this was useful, a like or subscribe helps other developers find this. I spent a solid week testing Creo to help you find new AI tool gems. See you in the next one.